Hi, this is Steve Crypto from Goshen Arbitrage and Crypto Trading Platform. Now I just logged into my PAXFUL account. You can see this is my PAXFUL account, and I met this message. So the message from Ray, that's the CEO of PAXFUL. In summary, they've suspended trading on PAXFUL and they don't know when they'll be coming back. So let me just go glance through this message for you. And the essence of this video is to show you how to move your money from PAXFUL to external wallets or other recommendation from PAXFUL boss. Now you said today PAXFUL will be suspending its marketplace. We are not sure if it will come back. So this will probably come as a big shock to many. Of course, I just entered my PAXFUL this morning and I saw this. While I cannot share the full story now, I can say we unfortunately had some key staff departure. Also, regulatory challenges for the industry continues to grow, especially in the peer-to-peer market and most heavily in the US. So they are having severe opposition from the feds, from the US government. And you know, PAXFUL is majorly a peer-to-peer, P2P platform exchange. So he recommended a solution. He said, right now, safeguarding funds is my best priority. You can see, safeguarding fund is my best priority. He said, what I'm doing, all customer funds are accounted for. So if you have your money in PAXFUL, you don't have a problem. You can withdraw it to your safe custody wallet. And he's recommending Noons, a new P2P company. Of course, you know they are an affiliate to that company. And again, he's recommending Bitnob and other self custody. You can see he's recommending Bitnob, Yellow Card, any external wallet, right? So he's now telling us the charges that you will incur on withdrawal. That's a network fee. Then his main recommendation, Ray's recommendation is Noons. So there must be a catch on this then. So now I want to show you how to move your money. I don't have money on PAXFUL. I don't keep my money on PAXFUL because I know it's a peer-to-peer exchange. So but let me show you how to move money to another platform, that this recommended platform Noons, and also how to onboard it. So let's go on. Okay, if you have money on PAXFUL, this is how it will display. You see, confirm send out. You see, I have money in Naira and BTC 0.00000065, equivalent to 13 Naira. So this is it. If you want to move it, right? You see, this is my name. Okay, free internal send out, right? So you put your two-factor Google authenticator, right? So let me get that. And in this process, you'll be onboarding Noon. So I'll be leaving the what they call it, the referral link in the description, and it will be an easy pass. So I've inputted my Google authenticator confirmation. So you see, I'm confirming send out. So it will probably tell me to create an account. So you say go to Noons. You can see. Okay, so you can see this is how to sign on, how to sign into Noon. You see, it's telling me please provide your PAXFUL password. So you can use your PAXFUL password to sign up to sign into this thing. It's an automatic sign up, the way I'm saying it. So this is it. So I've provided my password, so let me log in. So this is Noons. So probably the verification will be easy since it is a transition from PAXFUL to Noons as recommended by Boss Ray, the CEO of PAXFUL. I like the guy. Okay, let's leave that. Let's leave this. Okay. Hey, congratulations and welcome. Starting with depositing crypto to your wallet. Do you understand? So this is noons now, right? You see, my profile has been ported. Of course, I want to set my language to English. You see, phone verified, email verified, ID verified, address verified. Then you can see that this is like a collabo. If you know what collabo is, if you're in Nigeria, this is like a joint together work from with PAXFUL and noons. So it's like they're moving their database from PAXFUL to noons, maybe due to a breakout, something like that. This is just my own opinion, because all my detail from PAXFUL has been updated automatically on noon. You can see I'm scrolling down so you can see that. So let me take it to dark screen. So I've not yet seen where to move the currency from. That's one of our main objective. Let's scroll through, let's navigate through it. Okay, you can see the platform is similar to PAXFUL. Okay, let's pause this and let me go through some of the interface here, then see how we move it. Thank you. Now, for what we can see here, we can see that they have already transferred my database. And what's giving me a little bit of challenge is that they transferred all my database and instantly verified me on noons from PAXFUL direct. Everything same, account verified, but they have not transferred my pay. So we'll go back to PAXFUL and see what they say there. So after coming back to PAXFUL, and I just click on go continue to noons. Now they see what they are saying. They are saying fund transfer in progress. So my fund is already what in progress to be transferred, even though as it is a small money, because the free transfer. So this money will move to what noons. So if you don't want to use noons, I've showed you other method. Let's cancel this. You can transfer to self-custody. They will recommend different self-custody to you, and you can transfer to Bitnop. Let's see this self-custody. So I know CEO, the CEO of PAXFUL will give us long story about this self-custody here. So you can do that on your own. You can do that on your own. You can do that on your own. I've checked this before. You can do that on your own. So but now I've moved my funds to what noons for me to confirm. If you want to confirm, just come after clicking continue to noons, and your data will be moved direct. You can see this is PAXFUL, and these are my detail. This is my negotiation step. Is now on noons. You can see, let me show you. This is noons, a different platform. It has been verified automatically because I'm a verified user of PAXFUL. So now, but my funds have not been transferred. So let's just confirm again. You can see, let's click continue to noons. So as it is loading, kindly hit on the notification bell and also subscribe to our channel if this is of any importance to you. You can use the WhatsApp link in the description and the Telegram link to my WhatsApp group or my Telegram group to join other like-minded to talk about cryptocurrency and to share updates. That's my update group, arbitrage update and crypto update. And also you can join us and learn how to trade futures. I have a book for that. Okay, you can see fund transfer in progress. You already requested fund transfer of this amount. You have a little amount, but it doesn't matter. If you have much amount, this is how to go about it. You understand? Through your Nuns wallet. So thank you. Kindly subscribe to help us and share the video to help people who have money on PAXFUL and are panicking to know how to move their money to Nuns account or any other external wallet. Thank you.